Hello, I'm Bjorn and this is a short video about my car restoration project that has been ongoing since 2015. The vehicle is a 1973 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale convertible that originally had a 455 cubic inch engine in it but now has a Chevy 454 big block. It started small. I changed the entire electrical system in it and got a new convertible top. And we were thinking of just grinding down the paint and repaint it for the 2016 season here in Sweden and give the car a fresher look. But more and more rust was found and I started to disassemble more parts every day. Then the restoration halted a little and some minor repairs were done from time to time only. Then at 2018 we got our own paint booth built with filters, fans and so on. So the grinding and preparation work took new speed. But at most we found around 7 layers of old paint on parts of the car, so it was a lot of work getting it done. So, early 2019 we got hold of a company that used dustless blasting and that could help us with some work. After 8 to 10 hours the entire body and all parts were pure metal and stripped from everything. So now we started the work of repairing some more body parts and starting to prepare it for the first layers of paint. So the final layers of paint you have to watch to the end for, but the base color is white. For the paint job, it took a lot of patience and several weeks of work. Firstly, everything needed to be straight and smooth. Then we started with the first layers of white flake to build up the base. After this, we wet sanded the entire car, and then it was time for a lot of masking. All was done on freehand after looking on pictures on how the Hurst color scheme looked like in the 60s and 70s just to get it right. I never counted how many meters of fine line tape that we used. A lot got thrown away, and after a full long day of painting the gold, everything just had to be ripped off and thrown away. After this it was time for more wet sanding and then a lot of layers with clear coat to build up the depth in the paint. Unfortunately, the engine wasn't in the best shape. After a teardown, it was noted that main bearings had some wear, as well as the cam bearings. And the standard flat tappet cam had worn down 1 to 2 millimeters. Some intake valves had taken some beating and did not close properly. So, the engine was shipped away to the engine shop to get measured up, honed, balanced together with both the crankshaft and rods and the pistons, and new bearings to the entire engine. And to this I might have bought a new set of Keith Black pistons that would give approximately 9.5 to 1 in static compression. This has been a long journey, and a special thanks to my lovely wife for helping me with this project, and my dad for everything with this project, and of course several of my friends that helped out during some time of this restoration project. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. More might come. The carburetor might be changed out to a Holley EFI and electrical controlled ignition in the near future. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed this.